Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about getting live support from Activision. In order to do so, we're going to start off here at support.activision.com. And as you could see up at the top in the main menu, you're going to see this option here that says support options. If we select that, then you're going to see here that you have a few options to choose from in terms of getting support for your issue. However, none of this support is live. The only way to get live support from Activision is to call their support numbers, and after doing some digging, I was able to find the numbers here. So if you can see here up at the top, you have the two support numbers that are available. One is toll free, one is direct, and these are the only ways that you're going to get live support. Otherwise, you are going to need to go through the support options on their support page, and here you're going to select the game that you are having issues with, select the platform that you're having issues on, and what is the topic that you're having issues with, and what is the specific issue. Experiencing a lot of lag. So once you do that, then you're going to find that it's going to direct you to a support page where you can get some answers on that, or you could submit a ticket. So you could see here that you have the option to submit a ticket. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and click that. You can enter in a detailed description of your issue below and then hit submit, and they will get back to you within a timely manner, about 48 hours. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.